Stock number 5702 for sale by consignment at Classic Auto Mall is a beautiful and completely restored 1963 Pontiac Grand Prix. It sports a 389 cubic inch V8 that's been upgraded to tri-power with over 300 horsepower. It has a Roto-Hydromatic 375 3-speed automatic transmission with safety track rear axle and 323 gears. One of the hidden gems of this classic Pontiac is the rare optional cruise control knob just to the right of the steering column. The interior is in like-new condition and includes an AM/FM push-button radio. It has independent coil springs in the front, 4-link with coil springs in the rear, and power drum brakes on all 4 corners. It also has factory dual exhaust, and you can see all the details and nearly 100 photos at ClassicAutomall.com. Classic Auto Mall has more than 1,000 cars for sale via consignment in our massive climate-controlled showroom in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. Classic Auto Mall, a great place to buy or sell a car through consignment because it's safe, easy, and secure. Plus, we advertise, sell, and ship worldwide. Easily search for your next classic at ClassicAutomall.com.